Hello, in this video we intend to withdraw the amount that we deposited into our ActivTrade account via Skrill using the same method. We log into the account and select the Make a Withdrawal option. Here we enter the withdrawal amount, which is $20, select our account and then choose the next option.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
In the withdrawal request section, we can see that we have a withdrawal request of $20 from this account to our Skrill account. In the event that you would like to add another Skrill account to your profile, you can go ahead and choose the specific Add More option from the menu. Or if you find that you want to modify or update your existing account number or the total amount, you can simply choose the Edit option right here. Otherwise, if everything looks correct, we will select the Next button to proceed to the following step. Our formal withdrawal request has now been successfully submitted. And as you can clearly see here on the screen, we have officially received a unique ticket number, which indicates that the request is currently under active review and will be responded to by the support team very soon. We have also received an email stating that our withdrawal request has been registered, and we will receive a response via email once the withdrawal process is complete. After less than 5 minutes, our formal request was officially reviewed and approved, and the entire transaction process was successfully and smoothly completed. In our upcoming series of future videos, we will thoroughly cover various other deposit and withdrawal methods available in the ActivTrade broker platform. Wishing you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.